G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Today we're installing a cabin filter in a Toyota Hilux 2020 model with a 2.8 litre diesel engine in it. Don't think that's going to make much difference, but anyway, let's get into it. No major surprise with this one. Open our glove box, down she comes, and we have two screw type things that need to be undone. One over here, they're actually a little bit tight at times. Try the other way, Max. Oh, there we go. We can pop that out, and then we've got one on the other side to do as well. And that fella comes out too. Pop him out, and we should be able to, once we get that out a bit further, should be able to drop our glove box down. Hey, don't forget about this dampener over here. That needs to be undone as well. You can just carefully reef on that, just wiggle it from side to side like a DOS, and then the glove box can be lowered down. Don't lose all their stuff, of course. That hopefully will sit there, I believe. Yes! Okay, let's delve deeply into the Hilux. All we have to do is pinch these guys here. Pinch a set there, pop him out. And as you can see, it's a bit on the grotty side. We'll pull that out. Slide him all the way out and we'll have a look at it on the ground. Yes, there's been a lot of dust and wind lately, so yes, this one is dirty and needs replacement, but it's good that it's come in to be replaced during the service. That side, yeah, it's still pretty mucky, isn't it? Okay, let's fit the new one, just being aware that there is an upside to it. For no particular reason apart from availability, I'm using a RYYZN brand cabin filter. Yes, of course it's made in China, but guess what? It has N99 protection. It's just like wearing a mask. Good old COVID. And it's an RCA 333M. So let's install it. You can see on the front of the cabin filter we've got the up, and that's obviously facing up. It's also got a nice little pulley tag so that we can pull it out when it gets dirty to replace it. Let's push it into place. Like that. Like the door goes on next, mate. So you kind of lever this side in like that, and then we can just close that side over this side. In fact, once it clips into place, it should be all honky-dory. Nice, well done. Okay, push our glove box back into place, making sure that we get those screws located over each side. This guy over here, if you have a look at the screw, you can see there's got a big fat one down the bottom here, so that slides to the bottom. In theory, there we go. And we just turn him anti-clockwise for that particular one. The one over this side, we can just push him in a little bit further and turn him clockwise. But of course, hey, don't forget about that little dampener over this side here, like DOS. And now that everything's in place, we should be able to simply shut the glove box. Another job well done. Well, that really wasn't a difficult job at all, was it? But it is important to know the method so that you can do it correctly. I hope you got something from this video today, guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, feel free to comment down below. You can always catch up with us on Instagram and Facebook, and of course don't forget about that notification bell. You don't want to miss any future videos. So I better hook into the rest of this service, guys. This is MiracleMAX signing off. Till next time, I will catch you later.